Hello, my dear students. How are you? I am fine, and I expect you to be fine at your homes. Well, in this video clip, I want to continue the same topic, present tense, with it next kind, that is perfect. As you know that perfect denotes or points at the perfection of the thing. Well, in Hindi, to show the perfection of the thing, we say लिया है, चुका है, etc. Actually, है is an auxiliary verb, and it denotes, it shows that something is being spoken in present. But if we use the same thing with लिया है, चुका है, or if we talk about the same thing in English with the past participle, it means that something has already been over and the person seems to be talking about. So let's once again I tell you how to form a sentence showing perfection. To express the perfection of the thing, the completion of the thing, we use has, have with third form of the verb. As I have already taught you, if we speak about something with he, she, it, or any name in singular, we use has. For example, he has, she has, it has, Rohit has. That just next to it, we use the third form of the main verb. So to frame or to form these sentences, first of all, my dear students, you have to learn the second and third form of the verbs. Then you can frame or you can express your views in perfect or showing perfection. So in the same manner, if you want to talk about perfection, well, you, with you, they, we, I, you use have. For example, you have, we have, I have, they have. And just next to this auxiliary verb, we have to use third form of the verb. For example, suppose you want to say that you have completed your work, it means that तुमने अपना काम कर लिया है. If you want to speak about the perfection of something else, like मैंने तुम्हें सब कुछ बता दिया है, I have taught you each and everything about it. So to form this all showing perfection, we use has, have with third form in present, or to form a sentence in present perfect. Well, to frame or form interrogative sentences, we use these has, have in the beginning. Suppose you are forming, you are interrogating with someone, and you have to use one of the pronouns like he, she, it, or any. Well, you use has. Has he completed his work? Has she completed her lesson? And in the same manner, if you want to express the same thing, I mean interrogation or interrogative sentence with one of the four as I, we, you, they, you use have. Have you, have we, have I, have they. Then just next to it, you have to use third form of the main verb. For example, have we talked about it before? Have you discussed this matter with your teacher? So like that you can form sentence interrogative sentences in or showing perfection. So this was about the perfect, present perfect. And now let me tell you about present perfect continuous. But before it, I want to tell you a little more about present perfect or its use. Present perfect tense is used to talk about something that happened in the past, but we cannot say exactly when it happened. For example, he has discussed his queries with the teacher. One more example, I have written a mail to the authority asking them for solutions. We use the present perfect tense to talk about some connection between what happened in the past and the present time. I have taken a day off today so that I can get the house repaired. We use present perfect tense to talk of a change that has happened over a period of time. For example, my writing has improved a lot. While we use this tense, I'm talking about perfect tense. We use this tense to talk about accomplishments of human beings. For example, man has reached space. Well, we also use this, present perfect, to say that an action which we expected has not happened. For example, he has not submitted his report yet. So these were some of the uses of present perfect tense, and I have already discussed about present perfect tense. Now let me tell you a little about present perfect continuous. As we know that to form a sentence in present perfect continuous, we make the use of has, have with been. Then present participle or the main verb with ing. But we have one more thing to be added to form or to speak or to express, to utter your words in present perfect continuous, that is the use of since or for. Let me tell you, since is used to show or to indicate a point of time, and for is used to show or indicate a period of time. Period of time means 1 year, 2 months, 1 week, 35 minutes, a span of time. And since is used with the definite time or the definite date, or also with with the names of the week, like since Monday, since Tuesday. So, to form a sentence in present perfect continuous, we use has been, have been. How? I explain you with example. If you want to express your views in present perfect continuous,